Hey everybody, welcome to the Race Fight Smokehouse and Grill. And today I'm pretty excited. Got a new product in the mail today, Grillgrate. So it's a grill grate for my 26-inch Weber Kettle grill. It's anodized aluminum. And we're going to do an unboxing real quick, see what's in here. Stick around. Alright everybody, thanks for hanging around. I am really excited about getting this. I think it's really going to up my game in making steaks, pork chops, anything you want to get a good sear on and get some nice marks on. Supposedly this is going to help prevent flare-ups and everything on your Weber kettle. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how they have it packed and any instructions on how to get this going. First thing comes out is the Grillgrate tool. If you don't know, Grillgrate is the actual name of the company, one word, Grillgrate. So this is a tool. These fit in between the grates, help you get things off without sticking and tearing up. Okay, here's one grate, actually a couple grates. Well packed, that's nice. That good packing is nice for shipping so it doesn't cling around and damage your grate. So these are the side that's going to be up for most of the time here. This will give you that nice crosshatch. You can move it around. You can move whatever you're cooking around. Looks like these just all kind of go together here. Oh, actually, these slide together. Should probably read the directions here, which I'm going to do in a second. Yeah, these lock together. Let's see. So, what do we have here? Precision grilling, just add heat. Meet the #1 grill surface. Have a book that comes with it. Looks like it has all the products and some recipes in here to follow if you'd like. So that's pretty cool. Gives you some opportunity to learn on it. Some directions. Keep lid temperature below 650 degrees Fahrenheit. The Grillgrate surface runs about 150 to 350 degrees. Oh, it actually runs hotter than if you're cooking on a Weber grill, you have the temp gauge on top. This actually runs 150 degrees to 350 degrees hotter than the gauge temperature reads. That's pretty impressive. So it says you don't need to do a high heat burn off. Just close the vents when you're done and you could shut it down. So it looks like this is basically, I think it's just kind of ready to go. This is an invoice with a promo code. Get something different. Let's see. Here we got a user guide. Here, seasoning and cleaning. So that's one thing we're going to have to look into. This is a nice book they have here. So seasoning and cleaning, get the seasoning started. Use an onion on hot grill grates to season the rails. Onion creates a hard patina on the rails. Otherwise, use grill spray or canola oil sparingly on top of the raised rails the first couple times you grill. This will become unnecessary as Grillgrate season with age. Avoid over cleaning in the beginning to allow the grates to season. Okay, so when I get these fired up, I'm going to be making a few videos with these coming soon. I'm going to go ahead, I have a few onions here, I'll get the grill going and then rub these down with onion. Clean the rails during warm-up with the grate brush, or any grill brush for that matter, to get in between, get any chunks out. you want to get the chunks out of the valleys here. So you'll see that there's holes in the valley. This allows heat and smoke and some flames to come up. Supposedly this is going to be good for preventing flare-ups too. So if you're cooking a steak directly above the fire, this kind of perforation and everything on here is supposed to keep the flare-ups to a minimum. So that's pretty exciting. That being said, it looks like it's ready to go. I'm going to put these together and season it up, and then we're going to see you at the next video, which will either be a steak video, pork chop video. I'm thinking about doing a tri-tip taco video. All of that's going to be used with this guy here, so we're going to get some good marks and really check this bad boy out. So if you have any questions about grill grates, drop me a message. If you like the video, I know it's a quick one this time. We're really going to get this fired up so we can maybe do a review later on. As of now, it comes with, this is for the 26 again, so it comes with 4 pieces. You also can use this upside down for a griddle, which is nice as well. It's multi-purpose. But yeah, give me a like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon with some more videos putting this puppy to the test. So if you like what you're seeing here, have any suggestions, drop me a line, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again. Cheers.